Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an AZ formula review. This is a Clickbank product. And before we get to that, if you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online and how to make money from home. And I like to give you guys my honest opinion on a lot of these products that are out there on Clickbank and different places, as well as give you tips on mindset and how to market online. If those are topics that are interesting to you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. And if you're returning to the channel, thank you guys. I really appreciate you. And let's go ahead and get into the content. Again, it is the AZ formula review. This is what the website looks like. They say that the creator's name is Stephen Cook. The price is $37, and there's a couple upsells. One is $197 and the other one is $297. What exactly is the AC formula? They don't really tell you, other than it has to do with Amazon, and it's a done-for-you secret profit system. Well, first of all, I have sold on Amazon. I've sold a lot of products on Amazon. I've done drop shipping. I've done Amazon FBA, and I've also done private label. I'm not really sure how you could have a secret profit system. But anyhow, that's what they say it is, and they claim within a month you can be making $10,000 a week. And again, I've sold a lot on Amazon, and that to me is very unrealistic, as well as they only want to let 10 new members join a day because it's a secret formula. So that is very unrealistic as well, because it's a product on Clickbank, and how are they going to limit it to 10 new members a day? I would say the pros are that it's low cost. It's only $37, and since it is a product on Clickbank, there's a money back guarantee. So the things that I find are the cons and the red flags are, first of all, there's fake testimonials in the sales video, and it's interesting because as many products like this that I review, I start to see the same actors in the videos, because if this was really true, there would be real people in there telling you their testimonials. So inside, I'm not going to play it here, but if you look at the video, you can find that same woman. She's wearing the exact same thing, her hair's the same way, and she is a paid spokesperson that you can hire for $10 and tell her what to say. So right there, that's a red flag. And also, when you see these testimonials in here, people don't really talk like that. You can tell that they're actors. It's not a natural way to talk. Also, Stephen Cook, it says that he's the creator, but if you look, you can find his picture. I can search it on Google. You can find it in Shutterstock. So that to me is another sign that this is not a legitimate product, because you can see people use that same image. And then just the unrealistic income claims that you can make all this money in a short period of time. If you want to sell on Amazon, it does take time, and you're not just going to come in here with a push button software. It just doesn't happen. If you are interested in learning how to make money on Amazon, I'm going to leave a link below this video to a video that I did a little while ago, as far as how we made $16,000 profit in 6 weeks, and that was using eBay as our supplier. We were drop shipping on Amazon, so you can take a look at that video. There's nothing to buy in that, just to give you an idea of what you might do. And then I would say, if you want to learn drop shipping, you can go to udemy.com, and there's a lot of courses in here, like this one here, Build a Dropshipping Empire from Scratch. It's got a lot of good reviews on it. This is 7 hours of videos for $17.99. And and there's one on Amazon FBA. So this is a great place to just get started and learn how to sell on Amazon. So I would say stay away from the AZ formula because it's just not legitimate, I believe, and that's not the way that you make money on Amazon. And if you're looking to make money online, you really have to look at, this is not something that you just want to make a quick buck. If you want to build a long-term sustainable business, this is my criteria. It has to be newbie friendly, duplicatable, turnkey. There has to be residual income and also the ability to make 6 figures by having ascension offers. So that's what I would recommend. You learn some marketing skills if you want a business that's going to be around for a long period of time. If you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, go ahead and click the first link in the description below this video. You can check it out. That's what I use. That has all these criteria in it. And again, if you want to learn what I did on Amazon, I'm going to leave the link below the video to that video as well. So I hope you guys got some value from this AZ formula review today. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that as well. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Take care.